Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another DB2 SQL function, which is ATAN. So what ATAN function will do, it will take one input argument and then calculate the arc of tangent for that particular value. And whatever the output we will get either we can store it into the host variable using SQLRPGLE program, or we can directly print the output on using the query. So I will show you both the methods. So firstly we will start with the SQLRPGLE program. So here what I am doing here, first of all we created one constant variable which is SQL state underscore valid 5 times 0, and this constant we will use to verify the query. Then we have variable result1 of zone decimal size 8, and this variable we will use to store the output which we are retrieving from the query. Below to this we are setting the commit equals to star none, which is optional for this particular program, and after that we are using the main function. So to use the function you just need to write exec SQL, which is execute SQL, select ATAN of 1, which means arc of tangent of 1 into host variable result1, and this we are using from sys ibm.sysdummy1. So once this query is executed, the output would be stored into this result1 variable. And after the query execution, we are checking for the output query processing. So we are checking if SQL state is equals to SQL state underscore valid, then print the result1, else print the SQL state along with the message query ended with an error, and set the INLR on. So let's quickly compile this program and call it. So you can see it is printing the value as 1, which is correct. Now same thing if you would like to run over the normal query on STRSQL, so just go and click write STRSQL, then write this query. So here I'm using select ATAN of 1, which means arc of tangent for value 1 as, and this is my alias, ATAN underscore value underscore radians, and this is coming from sysibm.systemy1. So if you hit enter, you can see it is printing the value for value as 7.5853981 something. Okay, so these are the two ways through which we can utilize this ATAN function. So as per your requirement you can select any of the way, and this is also a kind of trigonometric function. So I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Sharmit.